यूपी का ऐसा जिला जहां हर मोड़ पर इतिहास छुपा है। ना ज्यादा फेमस ना ज्यादा मॉडर्न, फिर भी बाराबंकी इतना खास क्यों है? यह सिर्फ एक जिला नहीं, आस्था और इतिहास का संगम है। लखनऊ के पास छुपा है यूपी का ये अंडररेटेड जेम। क्या आपने बाराबंकी का ये रहस्य सुना है? हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। वेलकम टू बाराबंकी, a district in Uttar Pradesh that may look simple but holds deep culture, roots and historical importance. From sacred shrines to peaceful rural life, Barabanki has its own unique identity. Let's explore this hidden gem in just some minutes. To understand Barabanki, we must look into its past. Barabanki has a rich history connected to ancient Indian tradition and later Mughal influence. It is believed that region was part of the ancient coastal kingdoms associated with Lord Rama era. During medieval times, it came under the rule of the Delhi Sultanate, and later the Mughalites, shaping its culture diversity. From its historical roots, let's now understand where Barabanki is located in the state of Uttar Pradesh, near the capital city Lucknow. The district lies in the fertile plains of northern India, making agriculture an important part of life. Rivers like Ghagra and Gomti flow nearby, supporting farming and granary. The climate includes hot summer, cool winter, and a monsoon season. Now that we know its location, let's explore the flavors of Barabanki. Barabanki offers simple yet delicious North Indian foods. Staples like roti, rice, dal, and seasonal vegetables are widely enjoyed due to its closeness to Lucknow. You can also taste Mughlai dishes like kebab and biryani. Sweets like peda and jalebi are popular among local. From food, let's move towards the cultural that define Barabanki. Barabanki reflects a blend of traditional Indian and Awadhi culture. Festivals like Diwali, Holi, and Eid are celebrated with harmony and joy. The region is known for its simplicity, traditional values, and community bonding. Local language include Hindi and Awadhi, which added a regional touch to communication. And now let's explore the palace that make Barabanki special for visitors. Barabanki may not be as famous as big cities, but it has important spiritual and historical sites. One of the most famous palaces is the Deva Sharif, a well-known Sufi shrine visited by people of all regions. Another important palace in Kintur, believed to be connected to the Mahabharata, the Parijaat tree, is also a unique attraction, said to be a mythical tree from heaven. This palace reflected the spiritual and historical depth of Barabanki. After exploring its beauty, let's conclude what makes Barabanki truly unique. Barabanki is a palace where tradition, wealth, and simplicity come together. It may not be a big tourist hub, but its peaceful environment and cultural richness make it special. If you want to experience real India beyond big cities, Barabanki is worth exploring. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and check out my YouTube channel for more such content.